Here is Nucida's weekly forecast of expected post activities in the realm of software quality on social media channels for week 03 of 2026. Our analysis is based on the social media post data from LinkedIn, YouTube, X, and other internet sources released last week, which revealed dynamic daily changes. I'll leverage the provided web results, which cover software quality trends for 2025, and combine them with logical extrapolation of ongoing conversations in the tech community. The ranking is based on the prominence of topics in recent publications, their relevance to current software quality challenges, and their engagement potential on the mentioned platforms. Each topic's ranking reflects its immediacy, impact, and discussion volume, with reasons for placement and a forecast for future trends included. So, what will be the top 10 hot topics this week? Buckle up and let's start the countdown. 10. Platform engineering and internal developer platforms, IDPs. This topic ranks here because it appears in multiple DevOps-focused articles and social media discussions about creating governed, self-service environments that embed quality practices, security, and observability from the start. While important for scaling, it garners less immediate excitement than pure AI advancements this week. Organizations should invest in building or adopting IDPs that include built-in quality gates, approved tools, and AI-assisted workflows to reduce cognitive load on developers and enforce consistent quality standards. This approach prevents tool sprawl and promotes golden paths that naturally lead to higher reliability. In the next 3 months, platform engineering will mature with deeper AI embeddings for automated quality checks and compliance. Expect wider enterprise adoption as teams seek structured ways to balance speed and governance amid growing system complexity. 9. Accessibility and inclusive testing. Discussions this week highlight the ethical and legal push for testing that ensures software works for users with disabilities, including automated checks and expert involvement, especially as regulations tighten and user expectations rise. QA teams must incorporate accessibility testing early, using tools for screen readers, color contrast, and keyboard navigation, while involving diverse user groups for real feedback. Training on WCAG standards and integrating these checks into CI/CD will prevent costly retrofits. Over the next 3 months, expect more specialized AI tools for automated accessibility scans and regulatory-driven mandates pushing broader adoption, particularly in public-facing and enterprise applications. 8. Observability and shift-right testing in production. This continues to gain traction in blogs and social media threads as teams move beyond pre-release checks to real-time monitoring of logs, metrics, and traces in live environments, especially for complex AI systems. Adopt observability platforms that correlate data across services and use AI to detect anomalies early. Combine this with shift-right practices like canary releases and chaos engineering to validate quality where it matters most in production. In 3 months, observability will evolve with predictive AI analytics that forecast issues based on production patterns, leading to proactive quality interventions and tighter integration with DevOps pipelines. 7. Self-healing and autonomous test automation. Mentioned frequently in automation trends, reports and social media posts, self-healing tests that adapt to UI or API changes automatically reduce flakiness and maintenance overhead, making them a practical win amid AI-driven speed. Implement frameworks with AI-powered locator strategies and visual recognition to make tests resilient. Start with pilots on high-maintenance suites to demonstrate reduced debug time and build team confidence. The next 3 months will see major tool vendors enhancing self-healing capabilities with better machine learning models, resulting in widespread adoption and fewer broken pipelines across agile teams. 6. Ethical AI and bias, as well as hallucination testing. With AI systems proliferating, conversations this week emphasize rigorous testing for fairness, transparency, explainability, and hallucinations driven by upcoming regulations like the EU AI Act. Develop dedicated ethical testing frameworks, including diverse datasets, bias audits, and human-in-the-loop reviews. Document results transparently to build trust and meet compliance requirements. Predictions indicate a sharp rise in standardized tools and benchmarks for ethical AI evaluation over the next 3 months, fueled by regulatory enforcement and public scrutiny, making this a mandatory practice in enterprise QA. 5. Testing AI-generated code and outputs. A hot discussion point across social media and blogs as developers increasingly rely on AI for code, requiring QA to verify subtle bugs, security gaps, performance issues, and logical flaws that humans might miss. Establish hybrid processes with manual reviews, static analysis, and AI-assisted validation for generated code. Focus on edge cases and integration points to ensure reliability without slowing velocity. Within 3 months, expect dedicated frameworks and tools specifically for validating AI-generated artifacts, with growing emphasis on confidence scoring and traceability as usage becomes ubiquitous. 4. Agentic AI and multi-agent systems for testing. This ranks high due to excitement in recent social media posts and conference recaps about autonomous agents that plan, execute, and adapt complex test scenarios collaboratively, representing the next frontier. Experiment with agentic setups, where agents handle specific roles like exploration, regression, or root cause analysis. Define clear guardrails and human oversight to maximize value while minimizing risks. Rapid progress is anticipated in the next 3 months, including more open-source agent frameworks and enterprise integrations, potentially making agentic testing a standard for high-complexity projects. 3. Continuous testing integrated into CI/CD and DevOps. Ubiquitous in current trends, with strong emphasis on embedding quality gates, AI assistance, and automated validation throughout pipelines to achieve quality at speed. Build unified pipelines with quality as a shared responsibility, incorporating automated tests, security scans, and performance checks as mandatory gates. Use metrics to drive continuous improvement. In 3 months, AI will further optimize these pipelines with intelligent risk-based prioritization and auto-remediation, accelerating release cycles while maintaining stability. 2. Shift-left testing combined with hybrid models. Heavily discussed as the baseline for modern QA, with teams pushing quality earlier via developer involvement, code reviews, and early automation, while blending it with shift-right for comprehensive coverage. Promote cross-functional collaboration to catch issues during design and coding. Use tools that enable developers to run meaningful tests locally, reducing handoffs and feedback loops. Expect deeper hybrid adoption in the next 3 months, with AI bridging shift-left prevention and shift-right validation, leading to fewer production incidents and faster iterations. 1. AI-driven and autonomous testing. Dominating conversations this week across social media, blogs, and reports, AI-powered testing, including generation, execution, analysis, and agentic autonomy, remains the transformative force reshaping QA. Leverage AI tools for intelligent test creation, predictive defect detection, and self-optimizing suites. Prioritize human oversight for critical decisions and ethical alignment to sustain trust. In the next 3 months, advancements in reasoning models and agentic capabilities will drive even greater autonomy, with widespread cost savings, higher coverage, and a fundamental shift in QA roles towards strategic governance. Looking ahead to 2027 and 2028, software quality will likely pivot toward quantum-resilient testing as quantum computing emerges, requiring new verification methods for post-quantum cryptography. Sustainability-focused QA, measuring and optimizing energy efficiency in code and infrastructure, will rise due to environmental regulations and corporate accountability. human-AI hybrid models will mature, emphasizing augmented intelligence where humans handle judgment and creativity while AI manages scale and repetition, addressing ongoing trust and liability concerns in increasingly autonomous systems. Hopefully this video gives you additional insights. What do you think about the hot topics this week? Write your views in the comments section below. In terms of further questions, feel free to write to us. We will analyze all important internet channels and release our analysis report every Monday. Follow or subscribe to this channel to stay up to date and know more than your competitors. Happy testing and see you next time.